Today we're taking a look at the Sandmarc titanium band for the Apple Watch Ultra. This band is available from Sandmarc, currently priced at $199. Sandmarc also created a special coupon code for our watchers to save 10% off their order, so be sure to check the description of this video for that deal. Alright, let's get right into it. For the packaging and unboxing, it comes in a nice box, and inside you'll find a link to a getting started video, a tool to resize the band, and the band itself. Resizing the band is easy using the tool they provide, along with a detailed instruction video. First glance at the band, we can tell right away it's real titanium, just based on the weight and the feel. Sandmarc says it's pure grade 2 titanium, and they back this up by having a certified lab tested for the metal composition. Now, the only parts that are not titanium are the buckle and the Apple Watch adapter, which is 49mm and designed to fit the Apple Watch precisely. Trying on the band, right away we notice how comfortable it is to wear. The links are designed in a way to have really good flexibility and movement, so it contours nicely to your wrist. And the links do not pinch or get caught on any arm hair either, compared to other less expensive metal bands that we've tested. For the color, the titanium bracelet has a glass film coating for color matching accuracy. And it definitely looks like it was made for the Ultra with a near exact match. The only thing to keep in mind with this band is that it does not have a diamond coating, so it could be prone to pick up some scratches over time, as others have noted. For the width of the links, it comes in at 22mm, which is standard width for most bands and good for small, medium, or large wrists. Now, there are some wider bands on the market that are 24mm, which makes it for a wider look and good for large wrists. But we'll have more on those in a future video. So overall, the Sandmarc band has quickly become one of my favorite daily wears. So if you're looking for a high-end titanium bracelet for your Apple Watch Ultra, definitely consider this one. But if you're looking for less expensive options that are still titanium, be sure to check out our other reviews next for some of the best titanium bands for the Apple Watch Ultra right here on our channel.